Okay, this video is about the particle model of light worksheet 1A, and it's about light sources. Okay, so what's the shape of the path that light takes? What evidence do you have for your answer? And we're supposed to draw our path, our rays of light as being straight lines, and we will know this by observing shadows. We're going to do that later on in class. The way we can accurately draw the path of light in our diagrams is by using a ruler or a straight edge. We're supposed to draw straight lines from light sources to objects to eyes, and you're going to see an example of that here in a second. Does light move? What evidence do you have for your answer? Yes, light moves. Light can be blocked as it travels away from a source. How can you show the direction of light in your diagrams? We're going to put an arrowhead on the lines. In a darkened room, a lit light bulb is enclosed in a box that has a hole in one side. Can any of the eyes not see the light coming from the portion of the bulb marked with a dot? Explain. Okay, and then accurately draw the path of the light to each eye that would be able to see light coming from the dot on the bulb. So for A, there's obviously a direct path, straight line to A, directly from the light source to A and a light source to D, but there's not a direct straight line source from the light source to B or the light source to C. So I'll let you answer 3A on your own from that. Considering all the other locations for eyes that could see the light from the dot on the bulb, what can you conclude about the number of rays of light coming from the dot? Well, there are an infinite number of light rays emanating from the dots. Okay, if the light bulb were turned off, would any of the eyes be able to see the dot on the bulb? Well, obviously not. If there's no light source, there are no rays of light that could enter the eye. Okay, so this says use the given light rays to locate the position of the bug. So we're going to use these rays of light, okay, and draw lines backwards to the bug. And then from the bug, this is for part B, from the bug to our light source. So source, straight lines to our object, straight lines to the eyes. 5A, draw light rays to indicate how an audience member can see all of the performer's body. So this is how the light source goes and hits the top of the performer down to the eyeball, and then the bottom of the performer down to the eyeball. So obviously everywhere in between can be seen. So I want you to answer 5, B, C, D, and E on your own.